How to change passcode on iPhone. So first of all, open your settings. After opening your settings, scroll down until you see the option of Face ID and passcode. Tap on it, then enter your current passcode. After entering it, here you'll have to keep scrolling until you see the option of Change Passcode. Tap on it, and after doing that, here you'll need to enter your current passcode. So if you have enabled any kind of security delay, there will be the security delay option. Then you'll need to wait for at least an hour in order to get verified. And after the verification, you'll get to this page where you'll need to enter your current passcode. After doing that, here you'll need to enter your new passcode. For the verification, you'll need to enter your new passcode again. So after doing that, here you can see we have now successfully changed our iPhone's passcode. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.